Welcome to my video. Haven't been on for a while, but I've got something fantastic to show you. Yes, it's the pigeon or the bird whisperer. Yes, wow. It's my husband Stephen who loves feeding them. He loves feeding the pigeons and they love coming to him.
Hey, who told you to go get away from
Oh, look at that. Isn't that lovely? Hey, have you ever seen a pigeon? He calls them pigeons. But they love him. They love him. They love him. That's a good one, hon. I got that photo. Yeah, I got that one. Yes. So here he is with his loving birds. I'll just take it down and just show you what they all are doing. Some of them try to pinch his bread. Just caught them in time. Aren't they so lovely? So that was my surprise today. Yes, just seeing someone with the pigeons all over them. I wouldn't be kissing them like that though. Yeah. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, there's the little ones up the top. You got the sparrows waiting to catch the crumbs. Where are the sparrows? Oh, they're off that way. There they are. Little sparrows. Anyway, we have the bird whisperer. Its name is Stephen. They love you, honey.
Yeah. It's got some birdie.
That's wonderful. Wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. Look at that. Hey, look at them. They're just birds and they just want attention. And there they are. What's the feeling like, honey? Like how good?
I mean, you're with wild birds, but they trust.
Yes. They can't just do that to anybody. Oh, wow, they're all over you now. Oh, sweet. Look at that.
Step all the way through.
And there you have it, the bird whisperer.